Hey, have you ever wondered about the metals you touch every single day? I mean, we all know about iron in our pans and aluminum in our soda cans, but have you ever stopped to think, how safe are these metals really? Let's kick things off with something you probably own. Jewelry. That shiny necklace? It might be made with nickel, and for some people, that means itchy skin and even allergic reactions. And, get this. Some cheap jewelry has been found to contain traces of lead or cadmium. Both can be toxic if they end up in your body. Now let's talk kitchenware. Stainless steel and cast iron are generally safe, but what about old or imported cookware? Sometimes they're coated with metals like tin or even lead that can leach into food if the coating chips away. Ever heard of lead poisoning? Yeah, that's why you don't want sketchy metal in your soup. And check this out, coins. They're a blend of metals like copper, nickel, and zinc, harmless, right? But if you handle coins all day, tiny amounts of metal can rub off on your skin. It's not super dangerous, but it's not exactly clean either. What about tech gadgets? Our phones and laptops are packed with exotic metals, like lithium, cobalt, and even mercury in some older models. These are usually sealed inside, but if a battery leaks or a device breaks, you definitely don't want that stuff on your hands, or in the environment. So, what's the bottom line? Everyday metals are mostly safe with normal use, but it pays to know what you're handling. Stick to trusted products, wash your hands, and don't let little kids chew on your keys. Stay curious, and stay safe.